Hang on a minute. Don't bite his neck. Hang on. Hold him up. You got it. What's he doing? Is that your new buddy? He's balancing on the couch. He crashed.
Okay. Good boy. Yeah, where's your bone? Where's your bone?
Get your bone, Ruckus.
Get your bone.
He's like, I don't want the bone. I want the other dog. I want the hog.
Sit.
Okay.
Get your bone.
No more bone, Ruckus.
No more.
No more. He's like, that's bones. I want those bones. Right there.
Good boy. Get your bone. No.
Put it down, see what he does.
He's gonna eat it.
How much was it?
$40.
I think this is $40 worth of funny happening here.
No, it's gonna be in the front yard, so he'll never get it because he's not out there. Sit.
Let it go and see what he does. See what he does. Let him see what he does.
He's gonna eat it.
Just let him go. No biting.
No biting.
No biting. You be nice.
No biting.
It doesn't. No biting. It doesn't smell, does it? He's like he doesn't have a butt smell.
Nope. Hey.
No biting. Just leave him. He's not hurting it. Don't hurt your friend.
Easy.
This is Dino Dog. You be nice. You be nice. Give him a. You be nice. Don't bite. No biting. You be nice. Give him a kiss.
Ruckus.
Give him a kiss. No biting. There's no biting. Don't bite his tail.
No biting.
You be nice. No biting. No biting. Stop, Ruckus. Leave it. Now you can. He wants to give you a kiss. He wants to be your brother. He wants to be your brother. Okay, I guess our fun's over.
You're done.
Okay, Ruckus. Dino Dog is not going to be your brother.
And poor Roxy won't even come down and look.